bit up. I don't know if it needs that much. That might be why it's pitching up too. I might need to hold.
With this type of wing, I mean, lots of unknowns.
Okay, and I'm thinking that we'll just...
From this point here, it's real tail heavy.
Well, you don't know where center of gravity is supposed to be.
No, I don't.
I think it's supposed to be right here.
If that's the case, then you're slightly nose heavy.
They say that it should be like, well, when I found the 58%, that came out to about here. That's tail heavy. But my calculation is there, so we'll see what happens. Okay. Whenever you're ready. No control.
Oh, okay.
It could be maybe it's not fast enough.
It looked like it started to fly and then it went inverted.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell it.
Yeah, me either.
But it did look like it started to fly, and even when it went inverted, it wasn't going into one of those weird wing spins or anything.
Yeah, I think if I made one out of
Lighter?
balsa.
Well, when you throttled up, I didn't notice any big increase, so that could be a factor too.
Yeah, it could not have enough power to really get this big hunk of stuff moving. The one thing we do know is printed stuff is not very forgiving in a crash.